Good morning to all of you. Myself Tanmay. Okay, today is the last class of the differentiation. A long chapter ends today. After 50 minutes, it will over 50 minutes. Okay. The, this video is based on cbse board previous year questions. cbse board, not for chse. If chse students wants, then he or she can see this video. Okay, so now we'll start solving cbse previous year questions. First questions of cbse previous year question is differentiate 2 to the power cos square x with respect to cos square x. cbse 2025. cbse 2025. Let's see how can you do it. Okay, question is 2 to the power cos square x with respect to cos square x. Okay, next see how can you do it. Okay, let u is equal to 2 to the power cos square x. Okay, the okay, differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Differentiating both the side with respect to x, we get with respect to x we get okay wait we get du by dx is equal to d by dx of cos 2 to the power cos square x. Okay, du by dx is equal to a to the power of x 2 to the power cos square x log 2 into derivative of cos square x. Okay, du by dx is equal to 2 to the power cos square x log 2 d by dx of cos x whole square. Du by dx is equal to 2 to the power cos square x log 2 cos x, and derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, so du by dx is equal to minus sin 2x into 2 to the power cos square x log 2. Okay, now let v is equal to cos square x. Differentiating both the side with respect to x, we get with respect to x we get dv by dx is equal to d by dx of cos square x. Cos square x. Okay, so dv by dx is equal to 2 cos x. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, so dv by dx is equal to minus sine 2x. So therefore du by dv is equal to du wait here uh, du by dv by dx, so du by dx by dv by dx equal to du by dv. Here du means minus sine 2x and 2 to the power cos square x log 2 divided by minus sine 2x, minus sine 2x, minus sine 2x, plus sine 2x cancel. Here 2 to the power cos square x log 2 is your final answer. Okay, write it down. Okay, very easy question. This is with respect to another function. One function with respect to another function. Next is if tan inverse root x, so if tan inverse x square plus y square is equal to x square, then find dy by dx. Very easy question using chain rule. You can do everything. Let's see. Question is if question number 2, if tan inverse x square plus y square is equal to a square, find dy by dx. Very easy. How can you do it? Let's see. Differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Differentiating 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 both the side with respect to x, we get dy by dx of tan inverse x square plus y square is equal to dy by dx of a square. So dy by dx of tan inverse this one, so 1 upon tan inverse x, what is the formula? Tan inverse 1 by 1 plus x square and 1 by 1 plus fx, so x square plus y square whole square to derivative of x square plus y square is equal to 0. Okay, tan inverse fx, what is it? Tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square, tan inverse 1 by 1 plus fx and derivative of x. Okay, 1 by 1 plus x square plus y square whole square, derivative of x square is 2x plus 2y dy upon dx. 0, 2x plus 2y dy upon dx is equal to, here 0, 2 take common, x plus dy by dx is equal to 0, y dy by dx is equal to minus x, dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. Minus y by x, okay? Write it clearly. Okay. So write it clearly, then I will solve next question. Okay, then come to next question. Question number 3, 4 I will last. Okay, then next question number 5. Differentiate tan inverse this by this with respect to this by this. Very easy. Question number 5 is differentiate tan inverse root 1 minus x square by x with respect to cos inverse 2x whole into 1 minus x square. Okay, x, okay, where x belongs to 1 by root 2 and 1. This is cbse 2025 year. Okay, then see how can you do it. And tomorrow I will tell about so many things about syllabus of class 11th and 12th, how I will teach for class 11th and 12th. Okay, my new Instagram account, what type shorts I will post and which day which class I will teach tomorrow. I will tell everything. Okay, let u is equal to tan inverse root 1 minus x square by x. Here let x is equal to cos theta. Okay, implies theta is equal to cos inverse x, implies u is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. Okay, u is equal to tan inverse of root sin theta by cos theta. Okay, root sin theta by cos theta. So u is equal to tan inverse, so root sin square theta by cos theta. Then your sin theta by cos theta is equal to tan inverse of tan theta. Okay, what is the value of tan inverse of tan theta? Can you tell what is the value of tan inverse of tan theta? Just think, then I will tell. Okay, next, u is equal to theta, u is equal to cos inverse of x. So cos inverse, what is the value? Du by dx kete hobo? Derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Same thing, let v is equal to cos inverse of 2x root 1 minus x square. So implies v is equal to cos inverse 2 cos theta 1 minus cos theta is sin square theta. Okay, v is equal to cos inverse of 2 cos theta, root over of sin square theta is sin theta. V is equal to cos inverse of sin 2 theta. Okay, v is equal to cos inverse of cos pi by 2 minus 2 theta. V is equal to pi by 2 minus 2 theta equal to pi by 2 minus 2 cos inverse x. So dv by dx is equal to here 0 minus here 0 plus 2 by root over of 1 minus x square is equal to 2 by root over of 1 minus x square. So if x lies in 1 by root 2 to 1. X cannot be negative here. If x cannot be negative here, tan inverse of tan theta is pi minus theta. Okay, so pi minus cos inverse of x, that means 1 by x. Therefore du by dv is equal to this by this, equal 1 by 2. Answer. Write quick, then I will tell. Okay, what about we have to solve? Okay, very easy. Next, this question you try to do because it is based on logarithm differentiation. No, I will do this question first. Solve MCQ. First solve MCQ. Y is equal to sin inverse x. Okay, so dy by dx 1 by root over 1 minus x square. Again dy by dx again d square by dx square is equal to 0 minus dy by dx of root 1 minus x square divided by 1 minus x square. Here 1 minus x square take here, dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square. Okay, so x square d square by dx square is equal to 1 by 2 root 1 minus x square into minus 2x using chain rule. So cancel minus x by root over 1 minus x square, you can write as y. Here x by minus cancel, so x by root over 1 minus x square. Here 1 minus x square is equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x dy by dx. So option this one. Okay, option this one, option B. Okay, then if tan inverse of this is equal to this, then find dy by dx. Very easy. 1 by 1 plus x square minus y square whole square into minus 2x 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. X minus y dy by dx is equal to 0. X equals to y dy by dx implies dy by dx implies dy by dx is equal to x by y. Okay, option number B. Very easy. Okay, next question. Next question, if y is equal to a cos log x d sin log x, then x square y plus xy1 is, see, it is your second order derivative. Homework for you, very easy question, cbse 2025 question. I will solve this question, don't worry. First let it complete this questions MCQ question. The derivative of tan inverse x square with respect to x. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square and 1 plus x to the power 4 into 2x. It means 2x by 1 plus x to the power 4 is your answer. Which option it is there? Option number B. Okay. E to the power x with respect to x. E to the power x derivative is 2 e to the power 2x by e to the power x. 2 e to the power x answer. Okay, here with respect to first function 2 to the power x log 2, second function 3 to the power x log 3. Answer will be 2 by 3 whole to the power x log 2 by log 3. This is trick to solve the question. 2 by 3 whole to the power x, 2 by 3 whole to the power, this option cannot be. This option cannot be. And this or this. In numerator log 2, here numerator log 3. So option is this one. Okay. So you can do it. Okay. Very easy. Then this question you see. This question. If e to the power minus x or e to the power minus x is equal to, then find dy by dx. Very easy. dy by dx of e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus y dy by dx is equal to 0. Minus e to the power minus y dy by dx is equal to e to the power minus x. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to e to the power minus x by minus e to the power minus y. Okay, so minus e to the power yটা যদি ন্যুমারেটর করলে প্লাস হয়ে যাচ্ছে, এইটা যদি তর্ব আসিগলে ওকে, তো এইটা তর্ব আসিছে তো ই টু দি পাওয়ার এক্স ହେଇଯିବ, ই টু দি পাওয়ার y মাইনাস এক্স। ওকে, complete, write it, minus e to the power y minus x. This question I have already solved in CHSE board, and now it is also there. Okay, and this was cbse 2025 question. Okay, then solve this question. This question is equals to I have already solved. Here find dy by dx if cos x whole to the power y is equal to cos y to the equals to form. Already solved. Okay, then question number 24. Now all are previous year based on question 25. Okay, question is if x to the power is equal to e to the power x minus y, prove that dy by dx is equal to log x by log x plus 1 or whole square. Okay, let's see how can we do it. Taking logarithm. Okay, you have to write taking logarithm on both sides. We get log x to the power is equal to log e to the power x minus y log x to the power y is equal to y log x is equal to x minus y log e y log x is equal to x minus y log e is value 1. So differentiating both with respect to x, you get dy dx of y log x is equal to dy dx of x minus y derivative log x is 1 plus log x dy by dx 1 minus dy by dx. So log x dy by dx plus dy by dx is 1 minus y by x. So dy by dx take common, log x plus 1 x minus y by x. Okay, dy by dx is equal to x minus y by x whole into log x plus 1 log x plus 1 dy by dx. Then we can write as in place of x minus y we can put as here x minus y, what is value of x minus y log x. Okay, by x whole into log x plus 1. what is the value of y upon x? What is the value y upon x? Can you tell? Question is, when you prove that dy by dx is equal log x plus log x plus 1 whole square. How can you do it? Can you tell? Then after solving further, answer will be log x by log x plus 1 whole square. Proof. Okay, here y by x comes from here. Okay, write it. Then answer next question. Question number 19. Try yourself. Okay, very easy question. Previous question, chain rule question. Okay, try yourself. Complete this question. Question number 24. Question number 24. Y is equal to root tan or root x. Prove that root x dy by dx equal to 1 plus y to the power 4 by 4y. On squaring both sides you get y square is equal to tan root x. So differentiating both sides with respect to x you get 2y dy by dx equals to tan root x. Tan root x derivative कौन? Sec square root x into 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Okay, 2y dy by dx is equal to sec square root x by 2 root x. Root x टा 8 ହେଇଯିବ 2y ଟା ଏପଟୁ ଆସିଯିବ ତ root x dy by dx is equal to 2x ଟା ଏପଟୁ ଯିବ ଏଇଟା ଏଇଠି ଆସିବ ତ sec square root x by 4y जो 2 ଅଛି ଆଉ 2y ଆସିଲା 4y. अच्छा, root x dy by dx is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus tan square root x. Okay, by 4y. अच्छा, tan root x value y square. Tan square root x 1 plus y to the power 4 is equal by 4y. Proved. Very easy question. Write it. Okay, then next. Then so we have completed this question also. Then question number 22. Question number 22. Question is that if x equals to e to the power x by y, prove that dy by dx log x minus 1 by log x whole square. This is also previous questions. Okay, x is equal to e to the power x by y. Prove that dy by dx is equal to log x minus 1 by log x whole square. Okay, how can you solve it? Tell. First you take logarithm. Taking logarithm is on both sides. And x by y log e, value of log each one go to x by y. Okay, differentiating both sides with respect to x, 1 upon x. Here y divided x by x is 1 minus x dy by dx by y to square. Okay, so x into y minus x dy by dx is equal to y square. So xy minus x square dy by dx is equal to y to square. minus x square dy by dx is equal to y square by xy and y upon x. What is the value of y? What is the value of y? X by log x. X cancel 1 by log x. Okay. Then next x by y dx log x equals to x in log x, derivative log x is 1 upon x. Here y divided by x is 1 minus x divided by y square. X 1 y square, here y upon x. So dy by dx करते हो ये माइनस y by x क्यू. अच्छा আমার dy by x पाई गले थी আর এর সাইডে সলভ করতে পাইবা log x minus 1 by log x whole square. log x करते x by y minus 1 by log x करते x by y whole square. x minus y by y by x square by y square. x minus y by y into y square by x square. Okay. Okay, so y xy minus y square, xy minus y square by x square. Here x minus y whole into x minus y by x square. So na here x minus y is এটা কোশ্চেন এরর আছে এইটা আর কি বলতে সলভ করে দেবে এইটা কিছু করেনি এইটা না আসলে কোশ্চেন এরর আছে କିଛି না মানে এমনি হবনি এক্স বাই ওয়াই লগ ই ঠিক আছে 1 log x 1 upon x is dy minus x dy by dx y square পুরো করলে x y minus 2 ঠিক আছে x y minus x square divided dx is equal to y square ঠিক আছে এইরকম আর কেউ ওটা সলভ করে যে যাতে রিভাইজ করবি ডেরিভেটিভ না এটা হোল্ডে রাখতাম মোটা কলেজে মনে আছে রহব হ্যাঁ ও এইটা তো সেমিতি কোশ্চেন ইউজিং চেন রুল না ইউজিং হোমওয়ার্ক ওকে এইটা ମୁଁ ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ଆନ୍ସର ଲେଖିଦେଲେ ଆଉ ମୁଁ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ କରୁନି ହଁ ଷ୍ଟେପ୍ କରେଇଛି ତୁମ ପାଇଁ দেন এইটা u by v রুল পকেই a to the power fx ফর্মুলা এটা x to the power n very easy you can do it okay homework ମୁଁ କହିଦେଉଛି u by v then यार फॉर्मूला पकेइब यार आंसर बाहर करिब डिफरेंशिएट ହେଇଯିବ এইটা ବି ইমপ্লিসিট ডিফরেন্সিয়েশন ফাইন্ড dy by dx सिंपल dy by dx बाहरिब तो तापर तू फाइंड कर परिबो होमवर्क है ना derivative sin by root cos you can do it and very easy question halwa question okay proof type question I am doing wait this question you see it question number 10 differentiate root e to the power root 2x with respect to e to the power root 2x okay This question came in cbse 2025. Okay, then how can you solve it? Tell. Tell. Let u is equal to root e to the power root 2x. U square is equal to e to the power root 2x. Okay. Then du by dx of u square 2u du by dx equal to e to the power root 2x into derivative root 2x is root 2. 2u du by dx equal to root 2 e to the power root 2x. Okay, so du by dx kete hobo root 2 e to the power 2 root 2x by 2u. ये रूट टू बाद में कटेगा. So du by dx is equal to e to the power root 2x by root 2u. So du by dx is equal to root 2u. What is the value of u? Root e to the power root 2x. Okay. Then let v is equal to e to the power root x. So dv by dx होता है वो d by dx of e to the power root 2x. कहते बार e to the power fx e to the power root 2x root 2x into root 2. Okay. So dv by dx is equal to root 2 e to the power root 2x. So du by dv कहते हैं एतिक लिखले चलिबो नहले एइठो छाड़ दिले चलिबो छाड़ी तो नेक्स्ट एइटा सॉल्व कले चलिबो कहीं कोन 8 डायरेक्ट कटि जाउछि. So root 2 e to the power root 2x by 2u. U is e to the power root 2x divided by dx is and dv by dx root 2 e to the power root 2x. Okay. Then root 2 e to the power root 2x divided by 2 e to the power root 2x into 1 upon root 2 e to the power root 2x cancelled out. So 1 by e to the power root 2 is 1 by 2u. 1 by 2 root e to the power root 2x. Answer. Okay. Write it. Very easy question. Then complete. And this I have solved many times. Okay. Then question number 11. Okay. Question number 11. X equals to e to the power x by y. Proof that dy by dx is equal to x minus y by log x. Okay. Your cbse 2025 question. Okay. You are taking logarithm on both sides, we get log x equals to x by y log e. Log x equals to x by y. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, 1 upon x. Here y d by dx of x minus x dy by dx divided by y square. Here 1 upon x is equal to y minus x dy by dx by y square. Okay. Next we can write as, so xy minus x square dy by dx is equal to y square. Minus x square dy by dx is equal to y square minus x y. So dy by dx is equal to y square minus xy divided by minus x square. Y take common, y minus x divided by minus x square. X is minus x square, so minus take common, minus y, x minus y and minus x square cancelled. Okay, then you can tell me, if x by y is equal log x, then y upon x is 1 upon x equals to a, 1 upon x is 1 upon a, y and x minus y. Okay, here x minus y, y upon x is x upon y log x, y upon x is log x. Okay, here 1x here written, 1x here written, so prove that here x. Okay, 1x will be there and 1x, y by x log x. Okay, proof. Here is this question complete, and this second derivative you have to do. Okay, homework. Again 2 more questions left, and then we will end this class. This question I have already solved in video class. Okay, so you can try yourself. Okay, everything I have already solved. Okay, this question left, then we'll end this class. Okay, question is, if root 1 minus x square plus root 1 minus y square is equal to a root x minus y, then prove that dy by dx equals root 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. First thing, how can you do it? Okay, in this question there are two methods to solve this question. Here one direct relation you have to remember. Okay, in this question 1 minus x square plus root over 1 minus y square is equal to a root x minus y. Direct relation you have to remember, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y is equal to constant. Okay, then differentiate this. So dy dx of sine inverse x plus sine inverse y, derivative when constant is 0. 1 by root over 1 minus x square plus 1 by root over 1 minus y square is equal to 0. Here dy by dx. Okay, root 1 minus y square dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by root 1 minus x square. So dy by dx is equal to minus root over of 1 minus y square by 1 minus x square. अब याकू जदि mod नेबा, so dy by dx is equal to root 1 minus y square by root 1 minus x square. ଏଇଟା 2 to 3 ମାର୍କ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ଆସିଲେ ଏମିତି କରିବେ। 5 ମାର୍କ ପାଇଁ ମୁଁ ଯେବେ ରିଭିଜନ୍ କରିବି ସେଇଟା ବତେଇବି କେମିତି ଦରକାର ନା ଏବେ ଦରକାର ନାହିଁ, ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟ ରିଲେସନ୍ ବି ବାହାର କରିପାରିବ ହେଲା। Okay, so today this much. Okay, tomorrow I'll tell about class timings. Okay, so today this much, and today we end this chapter differentiation chapter totally complete. Okay, but not this chapter complete. This chapter another topic is that is called continuity, then another also the continuity differentiability, 2 topic left. Okay, after that this chapter will complete over. Now this topic, this part is over. Okay, tomorrow in morning 12 p.m. I will tell about class timing, batch name. Okay, class day. Okay, class timing, batch name, class day, Instagram account, Facebook account. Okay, Facebook account optional. Okay, I'll tell or I will not tell, that depend upon me. But Instagram account I will tell, and about reels I will tell. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, so today this much. Thank you, have a nice day, take care. And next chapter 12th class, for next chapter 12th class I will start matrix, and for 11th class I will start sets. I will tell, don't worry. Okay, so today this much. Bye bye, have a take care, bye, goodbye.